What is going on, my YouTube friends? Hope everybody had a wonderful day today. It was kind of nice here and kind of rainy, but it's still kind of cool. But hey, it was a good day. So I've been out in the garage all day messing with this wiring harness. Well, not all day, just on and off. You know what I mean? I had to go over and check out some stuff. We actually had a train derail over here. And of course, I had to run over there and check that out. But I couldn't get close enough to film it or take any pictures, though, because it just wouldn't let me. But you can't blame them. But anyhow, I started working on the harness that's under the dash. It goes to the fuse box where they go ahead and hook the wires up to the outside, all the plugs and everything, and you know where the harness hooks up to the harness that goes for the back taillights and stuff like that. So I've been messing with that. I unraveled all the wires, trying to make sure to see where everything goes so I don't cut no wires that I might need. I'm not going to need the heater, the air conditioning. I'm not going to need any of those wires, so those wires will disappear. Let's turn this around here and let me show you what's going on. So yeah, I got me a wiry mess. Yes, I do. Oh yeah, buddy. Ain't this fun? Spaghetti, guys, spaghetti. So here's the fuse box, the back of the fuse box actually. And then you got your light switch and everything, got all that. And then these are the wires right here that will connect to actually the door light, and that green plug right there goes to the plug that goes to the harness for the tail lights and rear parking lights and so much and all that good happy stuff like that. And then seat belt stuff, you know. So, but you know, it is what it is. So anyhow, then we run this harness right here. This is the harness that plugs in under the dash to the wires harness that goes under the hood for the headlights, turn signals. Yes, all that good stuff. And then this stuff right here goes, that is the gauge cluster, I'm pretty sure. If I was a gambling man, I'd bet on it. And you know, you got some other couple wires and stuff that goes under there. And then steering column wires. These are the steering column wires. And radio, blue and red stripe, that's usually radio, right? Tell me if I'm wrong. And then the rest of the stuff pretty much just goes to the air conditioning, the heater, and the door lamp switch, door buzzer, door light switch on the passenger side. So basically this is the passenger side of the harness. So we're working on that. Matter of fact, there's the door switch right there that I'm talking about. So yes, I do have a mess, and it is just so colorful and wonderful and so much fun. And I have got everything separated for the harnesses that I'm going to use. And of course, this is the horn harness, and I'm saving it because I'm going to hook up the horns. Yes, I know I got problems. I got issues. And then this is the headlight harness for the driver's side. And then the headlight harness for the well, I don't need that. This is for the passenger side. Yep, this is for the driver's side. So we got all those good wires there. This was the wire harness for the regular voltage regulator, which I'm not using that. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just getting everything separated and getting everything rock and roll, ready to rock and roll, baby, so I can start putting this stuff together. You know, the harnesses are in good shape. The fuse box sucks. I just wonder if I found another fuse box, if I could actually take the pins out of that and switch and take the pins out of this and then just do the wiring harness. I know it'd take forever, but hey, you know, if there's a way to do it and you guys know how to do it, then you just let me know. Yeah, buddy. You know. Let me turn this back around. Just giving you an idea what's going on, you know, my little wiring harness project. Oh yeah, such fun, I know. And you know, it's funny because I popped on some of the older videos of this car, and I'm talking videos that I did 5, 6, 7 years ago. And I was kind of looking at the harness and stuff that was in the car, what's on the car, and it's hard to see. I had a camcorder, and boy, did it take shitty ass videos. But it's because I didn't have the good lighting though. I got good lighting, so I think that helps a lot now. But if I'd have had one of these phones back then, I'd have had better videos. But anyhow, if you want to go back there and see my fat head, there's one of the videos, I can't remember exactly which one it was. It says, I says, you actually have this car done in a year and a half. My butt. 10 years later, guys, 10 years later, and look at where I'm at. I got suspension, I got the front suspension, everything back on it, but I still got a long way to go. But I'm getting this harness, I'll get this thing put in there. Once I get the harness straightened out and get all that done and get the dash painted, or as Funky would say, dye it. But I'm gonna paint it. But anyhow, I just giving you guys an update of what's going on here with Fairmont and Mr. Mach 1's garage. Yeah, buddy. And yeah, go look at those old videos, man. Look at the head on me then. Oh my goodness. And the bowl haircut. Looked like I had a wig on. But anyhow, guys, you have a great day. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I'll tell them you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time it is you watch this. Yeah, buddy.